Ha ha! Whoopin' cough, yup. Educational rap, hear me out now. Whoopin' cough, it's found anywhere in the earth. To teens like us and kids who just surpassed birth, so you better wash your hands and keep clean, cause it usually hits babies up to the age of 18. An epidemic struck in 2008. So many people died, we were all too late. 195 to the 000, that's how many people died across the freaking globe. So if you're feeling a cough, get the antibiotics quick, cause this bacteria can pull a few tricks. Catch this disease by breathing in the air. Saliva, mucus, man, it's everywhere. Starts off with the sneeze and snot run down your face. Then you got a fever and you're coughing all over the place. After 2 weeks, the cough gets worse. Find out what happens, cause it's the end of the verse.
Whoopin' cough, pertussis, is there any way that we can get you fixed? Whoopin' cough, pertussis, is there any way that we can get you fixed? Luckily, there is a vaccine, the one for the kiddies is DTIP. Luckily, there is a vaccine, the one for the grown-ups is TDIP.
After 2 weeks, the cough and fits get bad, especially for the baby, but not so much his dad. He coughs and coughs until his face turns red. He can't inhale, there's the whoopin' and he's dead. Math time. If 50 million people get it a year, and 195,000 people die, what's the percent of people getting it die? 3.9%. Blast to the past, where did it all start? Breaking down the history and pulling it apart. In 1906, 2 Frenchmen found it. They called this new bacteria pertussis. And if you had this, you were going in the ground, down. There was no cure around. Until the 1930s, they made DTP. Yes, DTP, sing along with me.
Diarrhea, tetanus, toxoids, it worked half the time, it was bad like roids. Diarrhea, tetanus, toxoids, it worked half the time, it was bad like roids. In 2005, we got the best vaccine and now our kids are alright. In 2005, we got the best vaccine and now our kids are alright.
Hey guys, you know, only 30 people in the US died last year of whoopin' cough. Whoopin' cough. Whoopin' cough.